What's the most important skill to learn if you want to make $350,000 in sales?
350K. Okay, a lot of you are probably saying 350, that's a lot of money. It's not. When you hit that, by the way, I used to have a daily goal sheet and I took the logo off of that movie 300 and I was like, I want to get to 300,000. I got there. It was a total disappointment, right? I thought that was a lot of money. It's not. If you want to make over 300, 400, 500, 600,000, the most important skill that you need to learn, and whether you learn it from me or somebody else or figure it out on your own, you have to be able to get attention from the marketplace, and you have to be able to deliver insights to them that are helpful to them, whether they do business with you or not. Far too often, in those bottom performers, those people that are making less than 100, even 200,000, their whole career is about reaching out to people and saying, if I can have 5 minutes of your time, would love to tell you about our business, would love to tell you, or they insult people. Notice your website's totally screwed up. Notice you're doing this the wrong way. You are never going to make real money by insulting people, and you're for sure never going to make real money by pitching people. You have to be an expert that can skillfully get, that's like ECCP, Easton Cold Calling and Prospecting. It's all about skillfully getting attention. It's all about skillfully delivering an insight and then gracefully pivoting and going, how are you dealing with that? If you can do that, it's rinse and repeat, and deals will literally like be on a conveyor belt for you. You'll have 10 times, 100 times more deals in your pipeline than everybody else, and nobody will know how you're doing it. When you finish watching this, I'm going to get you the closing mini masterclass totally free. It's normally $300. I'll pay for it. Click the link in my bio. I'll see you there.